Today, the DOJ filed a request to block a ruling last week by a federal judge in Texas that suspends FDA approval of a key drug used in medication abortions. The Biden administration asked to put the ruling on hold to allow more time for this case to go through the appeals process. It's led to uncertainty for people across the country, even here in Illinois, where abortion remains legal. NBC5's Kate Chappell has more.
Right now, medication abortion is safe and legal in Illinois.
But the future of a drug that's been approved and used for more than 2 decades is uncertain. On Friday, a federal judge in Texas, citing safety concerns, ruled to suspend the FDA's longtime approval for mifepristone, the first in a 2-drug regimen for medication abortion.
I'm concerned that if this one Texas judge is allowed to ignore years of medical history, ignore the science, and overrule a federal regulatory body, what will they do next?
Clinics, including Planned Parenthood of Illinois, are now trying to understand how the decision will impact care and how it affects a dueling decision from Washington that protects access in 17 states and Washington, D.C. About half of the abortions at Planned Parenthood of Illinois use the medication.
We would be prepared to use misoprostol only.
Misoprostol is the second of 2 drugs used for medication abortion. Carafem, another abortion provider with a clinic in Skokie, is also prepared to modify its regimen.
Overseas, it's common to use misoprostol alone, and Carafem has offered a misoprostol-only regimen since the year 2020. And we will continue to use it, even if on Saturday we are told medication abortion with mifepristone is no longer an option.
Both clinics say they also have the ability to scale up surgical abortions as needed, which may be more appealing for some patients with time constraints. In response to the ruling, Illinois Right to Life Executive Director Mary Kate Zander tells NBC5 28 women have died as a result of legal use of mifepristone, going on to say it is absolutely the right move to halt the availability of this drug.
The medication abortion pills that the Texas judge is attacking have been used by more than 5 million patients over the last 2 decades.
If the appeals court does not grant the Biden administration's request, the Supreme Court could intervene. The government asked the appeals court to act by noon on Thursday. Kate Chappell, NBC5 News.